play with good boys.
Hey, Dad.
Get me out. This thing sucks. I'm wet. I want to be out there playing. In the freedom. I don't like that thing. What's up? It's a birdhouse. You said birdhouse? It's a birdhouse.
Don't put that in there. Don't put that in there. In there.
No, boy. Get him out, Madison. Timmy? Timmy. You throw anything else in, you're going in that. Alright, test me on it. See what happens.
Sissy, just...
What happened, Madison? Did you fall?
What?
Did you fall?
No.
He's like, not yet.
I don't like that side. I want this side. I don't know. You got a little longer?
Yeah.
Look at her biting the fence. I'm going to chew my way out.